Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Ideogram AI app using your email. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Ideogram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now, go ahead, launch the app. Then on the screen, you're gonna see options like continue with Apple, continue with Google, terms of service and privacy policy. You're gonna have to select continue with Google, then tap on continue. Now it's gonna open accounts.google.com. From there, you're gonna have to choose an account to continue with, then tap on continue again. Once you do that, on a screen you're gonna find that you've signed up for Ideogram. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign up for Ideogram AI app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.